Learn how to seamlessly utilize Afterpay with Walmart. Access Afterpay website. Open Afterpay on your laptop or desktop. Navigation. Navigate through the options on the upper side, how it works for retailers, and get the app. Download the app if you prefer. Download the Afterpay app by clicking on the Get the App button. Search for Walmart. Use the search bar to search for Walmart within Afterpay. Select Walmart card. Choose the Walmart card from the search results. Access Walmart. Wait for Walmart to open and ensure a stable internet connection. Initiate purchase. Click on Buy for yourself or send to a friend depending on your preference. Enter personal information. Provide your first name, last name, and email address. Confirm your email address and click on Confirm. Review details. Check the expiration date and terms and conditions associated with using Afterpay for Walmart. Complete transaction. Follow the prompts to finalize your purchase using Afterpay. By following these steps, you can effectively use Afterpay with Walmart for your purchases.